Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. There was some news I have seen. The celebrities should not should not endorse the cryptocurrencies. I don't know whether I am a celebrity or not. Somebody will have to clarify. Okay, so let us come back to the market. The market, if I have to explain the market in just one word, and it's just crazy. And nobody expected Nifty to fall to 15,750 today, and 15,700 is the support, and it should not go nearer to 15,700 many times. Let me explain. Let us say you want to break something and break an object. You take a hammer, just hit once, twice, thrice. The more you hit, the more it becomes weaker. Or fifth time or sixth time when you break it, it breaks. So, the same way, more number of times Nifty is going to closer to 15,700. That 15,700 support becomes more and more weaker. And one more attempt to break 15,700, and if it is successful, then there will be a free fall. So, in that sense, today I was not happy to see Nifty breaking 15,700, 15,800 within few minutes, within few seconds of market opening. But however, what was a great surprise, and from that low point, and Nifty shot up nearly 230 points. It went very close to 16,000. And again, as usual, markets were going up, down, up, down, up, down, alternate bout of selling and buying. And this is clearly a tug of war between FIIs and DIIs. And today, I just tweeted during the market hours, and today it seems that FIIs do not want the Nifty to close above 15,900, and DIIs do not want the Nifty to close below 15,800. But 15,800 to 900, it was very, very volatile. And what was very, very surprising, on Friday, the US VIX fell nearly 10%. But despite that, here our VIX was higher. And what was even more surprising, and after 2:45, 3 o'clock, the VIX, India VIX shot up. And that was something really very, very surprising. So the people are getting very, very nervous going to closer to the end of the day because of last Friday and then 2 weeks before Friday mayhem. And today, from the beginning, it is only the Bank Nifty that helped the markets. And TCS, Infosys, Reliance, all were very, very weak. But look at the volatility in HDFC. Wow. It went up to 2135, then went up to 2180, again came back to 2145, again shot up to 2185. It was making very, very huge move. And that makes the markets too volatile. So, when our market was going on, the European markets opened, they are lower slightly. At some point of time only the UK market came to positive, but the rest were negative only. US features are also lower only, but they are not very big. You know, it's just, you can just say it's almost flat. And today the market and some of my observations. Number one, today in the morning between 6:30 and 7:30, the most of the markets were higher, and it was, everything was good. Even the Dow future was higher. And what happened at 7:30 when the Chinese industrial production data came much lower than expected. So that is when and all the problems came. But again, let me tell you, the industrial production data is a lag indicator. What happened in the last 1 month, that is what is indicated. Last 1 month anyway, the China was under lockdown. But now there is a news that they are relaxing the lockdown, and from today shopping malls will be open, and slowly the factories also they may open. So stock market should worry only about the lead indicator, not the lag indicator. The industrial production data was a lag indicator. So lead indicator will be good. So that is one of the reasons why there was a good support from the lower levels in our market today. And even Dow future went to minus 250, now it has come almost flat, recovered a lot. So always remember, the stock markets will worry more about the lead indicator than the lag indicator. And lead indicator is looking good, but not the lag indicator. And second thing, yesterday itself I told you FIIs are cutting down some short positions, and today, though intraday throughout the day the Nifty future was at discount, but closer to the end of the day Nifty future premium shot up to 20 to 25 points. So that indicates that FIIs are slowly covering their shorts. So today we have to wait for the end of the day data to see how much shorts they have covered. And though markets were volatile, just like last Friday, there was no sudden selling and sudden buying, but it moved slowly higher and slowly lower, grinding up, grinding down like that, but there was no sudden sell-off. And the next one, the State Bank of India has stabilized. I think the last Friday mayhem was because of State Bank of India, and now it has stabilized. Even the Bank of Baroda has done well. So the PSU banks particularly, they have stabilized. And then end of the day, FIIs have sold for 1,800 crores, slightly less than 1,800 crore. And though they have sold it, and one good thing is that this is the least amount of selling in the May series. And May series, almost every day they used to sell 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 crores. There was only one day they sold about 1,820 crores, something like that. But today is the first trading session, their selling was less than 1,800 crore. And of course, domestic institutions have bought almost 1,400 crores. And another good thing, throughout the day, it was Nifty that was coming under selling pressure, but mid caps and small caps have been doing exceedingly well today. And mid caps and small caps outperformed Nifty today. So, by looking at all these things and also looking at the open interest, today though Nifty broke 15,800 and went closer to 15,700, and today there was a huge addition of open interest at 15,800 PE and 15,700 PE. So, although I gave you the example of hammer, I still believe that 15,700 should take support, at least for next few days. So, Nifty is likely to consolidate between 15,700 and 16,000. And today also Nifty went very close to 16,000, then the huge selling came. And Bank Nifty, huge selling came when the Bank Nifty went closer to 34,000. So Nifty 16,000 and Bank Nifty 34,000 seems to be the resistance for the next few days, and those levels will have to be taken out for any meaningful short covering rally. So as of now, FIIs are covering some of their shorts, but I don't think that there is any meaningful short covering rally. So every opportunity, FIIs are selling in the cash market. So let us see, right now the US futures are, as I told you, almost flat, and the SGX Nifty is also almost flat. And of course, they are immaterial right now. We have to see where the US market closes tonight. And the rest of the things we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.